Hey guys, so this is the list of students that need instructional level changes. So basically, they're either proficient or basic, below basic, and need to be changed to one or the other. Now, just make sure when you take a look here that you know the difference between the two, the basic, below basic are going to be our dash one classes or our dash two classes, and then the proficient is going to be our A, B, C, D, E, F, G classes. Okay. There's a list of students here. If you scroll over to the right, so this first one here, Jace Atkins, he needed an English level change. So not all of them tell us what the previously assigned instructional level was, but don't worry about that. Just take a look at what the teacher selected instructional level is and what the current classroom is. And then if it says CC section change requested and it says yes, then you know that that student needs to be moved to a proficient class from the current classroom, which is a 6-1 STAR class. Okay, so that's our special ed below basic class. So I made the change. I did not make the change. I'm sorry. We are not making any changes. We are just proposing new sections to Sue. So I went through, I found a section using Total View and using the student schedule that would work for this student without any conflicts. I did that by writing it out in my chart, or if there's another way that you all do it, whatever you do is fine. Just make sure that the new course does not have any conflicts. You also want to make sure they are staying with the same teacher, if at all possible. And then you want to check teacher numbers. So I went to Kim Smith's class here to make this determination. I went to her classrooms, I checked numbers, and I saw that that was a good section to place this student in, and it fit with his schedule. So, and I put the exact name of the class there, and how I did that was just by searching, and I will go ahead here and show you what I mean. I just searched classrooms, put Smith in. So I had the master schedule up. I looked here. She's got 3 proficient classrooms, 6E, 6F, and 6G. I checked to make sure which one fit best with this student's schedule. And then I just copied it right from here. So I can't remember which one it was, and I don't want to, it was 6G. So I just went here, copy, and then I brought it right over here and pasted to the proposed new section. I did not make the change. I just wrote the proposed new section here. And since Sue's going to be making these changes, we just want to make sure that we're double and triple checking our work. So if you guys have any questions about how to do this, let me know. Some are math. So the next one I did for Habiba Ahmed, this one, she was in a basic class and now the teacher wants her moved to proficient. So she was in math 7-2 with Mrs. Johnson, and she did not need an English class change, just math. So I did my process. I found that math 7D with Mrs. Johnson would work. So I placed her, or I proposed that section to Sue. So I think there's about 80 kiddos on this list. What I think we should do is, if you're working on one so that we're not doing double the work, go ahead in the proposed new section here and just put your initials so that we know, that you're working on this kiddo right here and somebody else doesn't start working, and then we can just go down the line. And Sue wants to make all these changes on Friday afternoon, so we have all day tomorrow, all day Friday to get through this, but I figured if all of us are working on it, and like I said, just be really careful, make sure you don't make any mistakes, and feel free to reach out to me if you have questions or aren't confident doing this. I'm happy to take it on my own. I just thought if we work together, we could get it done a little bit faster. But if you have questions, like I said, or you don't feel confident, just let me know.